उनका फाइनल में ही आना हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात थी, क्योंकि पहली मर्तबा JNK रणजी ट्रॉफी की फाइनल में आते, लेकिन फाइनल में आके बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि अब इससे आगे वो नहीं जा पाएंगे। लेकिन जो पहले इनिंग्स में उनका प्रदर्शन रहा, जो परफॉर्मेंस रही, और उसके बाद जो बॉलिंग का उन्होंने मुजाहरा किया, हम तो अब उम्मीद कर रहे हैं कि शायद यहाँ से ट्रॉफी वापस लेके ही जाएंगे।
But sir, the match is very close to the winning. How do you see if won? How is this really going to change the future of Jammu and Kashmir? Because
I think people will wake up to the fact that Jammu and Kashmir also has cricketers. Unfortunately, because of lack of exposure, you haven't heard about our cricketers. But this sort of the way they got to the final and the way they've been playing in the final, I think it's about time that some of our youngsters are now sort of invited or asked to play for the country. I think one or two of them definitely deserve to wear the Indian colours.
67 years is a very long time, sir. But now the team doing very good, and also the all nation is looking at the team. Was historical.
Well, I mean, the fact that I'm here on my very first visit to Hubli would tell you just how much this means to us. I was keen to come to support the team regardless of how we did. The fact that we're doing well is a bonus. But yes, it's true. Everyone in Jammu and Kashmir, because I mean this team, it represents the entire JNK. It represents what we are, our composite culture. It cuts across the division between Jammu and Srinagar and Kashmir. It cuts across the religious divide that sometimes people try to inject into society. This is a team that plays as one, and it's because they play as one that the result is in front of you.
Sir, allow us for one political question as well. So today the court has acquitted Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodia and others as well. There have been an allegation saying that how the agencies are getting used against the opposition as such. Sir, how do you see today's development as such?
I think, well, first and foremost, congratulations to Arvind Kejriwal Sahab and Manish Sisodia Sahab. They always were steadfast in claiming that they were innocent and that this was a political case. The voters of Delhi, to a very large extent, punished Aam Aadmi Party because of the perception that was created around Mr. Kejriwal and Mr. Sisodia. The fact that the courts have exonerated them would tell you that I think it's very important, and I think this is something that the media needs to take on board. There has to be a presumption of innocence. Unfortunately, more often than not, we are now inclined to presume guilt. You automatically assume that all politicians who have allegations against them are guilty, and they must prove their innocence. Whereas it is the reverse that is true. You have to presume the innocence, and the agencies must prove guilt, which in this case they weren't able to do.
Sir, since you are in Hubli, what's on your bucket list? So what are you looking forward to experience in terms of food, all the matches, anything that you have for the fans here in the cricket?
I'm not sure I'll get as much food as I would like. It's the month of Ramzan, so in the day I won't be able to eat much. But what I would like to see is the Jammu and Kashmir cricket team lift the trophy and take it home from here.
Yes, okay.
Thank you all very much.